Okay, I have thrifted a book recently that I'm going to use for a junk journal by taking out the insides and reusing them. And I wanted to go through how to remove a book from its binding so that you can use the cover. All right. So I just have like an X-Acto knife type tool, and you can see if I'm cutting right here, this is the right kind of binding to do it with. You could see that there is like a whole bunch of signatures sewn together, but it's not attached necessarily to the back of the cover. Okay. So this is a great way to get materials for junk journaling. I got this at a local thrift store. Um, and I always go and I look for books that are a specific type of way. So now you can see that's what the inside of a book cover looks like. All right, and then I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I liked this book cover because it was water damaged, which I think makes it a little bit more interesting for junk journaling. And if you see there, I went right into that space in between the uh, the chunk of book and the cover. And then I'll start from this end. Make sure I get all the way in there. I'm trying to be careful not to cut the cover because I don't want it to, I want it to be reusable. So I'm cutting it, just trying to get it to come away there. Yep. And the back isn't here really well. And we're cutting through old glue. So there we go. There we go. Yeah, there we go. That is really good because it's in still good condition. It's all put together still. And then I will clean up all of this, and then I will sew whatever I want to into the journal, and I will cover over the cover. I just liked it because it was a nice sturdy binding. And then as for the chunk of paper that I got out of it, one thing I have always loved is making poetry from random sets of words or pages. And that is something I can do with it. But you can see that this book is perfect for junk journal pages that you can just slip into your current junk journal and then decorate. It's already got this. It's got all these words. So I am going to just love decorating these pages and putting them into my junk journal.